Hi guys, my name is Sagar and I'm working in Java development since last 10 years, and I was eagerly waiting for this Oracle Java new release, which is Java SE 10. So here we are having around 12 enhancements, out of which 4 is the major one, and out of 4 also introduction of var variable is the most important. So let's look into deep what are those enhancements. Let's move to the slides. So let's start by the introduction of JDK 10. So I have created the slides which are very simple to understand, and if you need, you can pause the video and read the text. I will be just giving you the quick overview, and in the subsequent videos I will be explaining further each and every single enhancement which is being done in Java 10. So let's talk about what are the topics which I am going to cover here is introduction, new features, local variable type inference, parallel full GC4 G1, application class data sharing, and experimental Java-based JIT compiler. So when you talk about Java, my God, cannot believe it is one of the oldest language on technology which is being used since 22 years, and there are more than 20 million developers worldwide, and still it is #1 programming language. Why? Because of Oracle and Java community. Every day they are enhancing themselves as per the latest technology, software, hardware, processors, big data. So they need to be in the market, and that's why new enhancement is coming. So if we talk about JDK 9, from JDK 9 to JDK 10, the main thing is stability and the performance factor. Because of that, some new enhancement proposal came, and which is being addressed in this Java 10 release. So out of which 12 new enhancement, we will be focusing on 4 major enhancement, and the program is known as JDK enhancement proposals. So let's talk about those 4 features. First feature is local variable type inferences. We will be seeing this in detail, what it is. Second is parallel full garbage collect for G1, and third is application class data sharing, and fourth one is experimental Java-based JIT compiler. Let's talk about all this one by one. So what is this local variable type inferences and how it is helpful for Java programmer? So it introduces this var to Java. So this is an identifier kind of thing, and it is something common to other languages like in JavaScript or Python, Scala or Groovy. You would have seen that if you don't know the data type also, you will simply define it by var and it will take care. So in the traditional Java, what I need to do is, earlier I will say array list of list is new array list of string, but here your job is very simple. You just say var list of new array list and it is going to work for you. Not only that, if you want to list the stream also, you can declare it as var. If you want to get the file name from the path, if you want to have the path, just make a var. Same thing with the bytes. So this is one of the most important enhancement feature in your JDK 10. Other features are also there, but those features are with respect to the stability and the performance factor of JDK 10. It is the minor release and the major release will be JDK 11. So second enhancement is parallel full GC for G1. So basically it improves G1 worst case latency by making the full GC parallel. So we are aware that in JDK 9 G1 garbage collector was made as default, and this previous default parallel collector was having a parallel full GC. So what we need to do is, the current implementation of full GC G1 uses what? Single threaded mark sweep compact algorithm. So we have to parallelize this mark sweep compact algorithm by using the same number of threads as the young and mix collection do, which can be done by this particular parallel GC thread option. Then we'll see the third enhancement. This third enhancement is about your application class data sharing. So in order to understand application class data sharing, you need to understand what this CDS means. So class data sharing was introduced in your JDK 5, which allows a set of classes to be preoccupied in a shared archive file that can be then memory mapped at runtime to reduce the startup time. It can also reduce the dynamic memory footprint when multiple GVMs shares the same archive file. So currently the CDS only allows the bootstrap class loader to load archived classes. Whereas application CDS, when it's going to extend this CDS, it will allow the built-in system class loaders, built-in platform class loaders and custom class loaders to load archive classes. So you can see this and you can find that particular thing into the home lib module. And the fourth one is our experimental Java-based JIT compiler. So basically it enables your Java-based JIT compiler known as Graal, which can be used for experimental JIT compiler on Linux and Windows 64 platform. So we know in JDK 9 AOT compiler, ahead of time compiler was introduced, and this Graal is also based on the top of AOT compiler only. So if you want to enable this Graal on your machine, what you need to do is you have to use this particular option, that is unlock experimental VM option, which uses JVM CI compiler. So this JVM CI compiler is your JVM compiler interface, which was again introduced in your JDK 9 only, and Graal is using the same thing. Thank you guys for this slides. That was the thing. In next video we will explore more about the 12 JPs enhancement. By that time you can stay tuned, keep watching for next video on JDK 10. You can subscribe my channel and enable bell notification. Wish you very happy and pleasant day.